our magic percentage book. Let us see what is inside. Meet Rohan. He is walking down the street and then suddenly he finds, oh, there's a shop. Let's check it out. Rohan enters the shop. Wow, there are so many amazing gifts. Wait, there's a sale. Rohan is happy and it's written 30% off. That sounds great. Rohan is super happy. Rohan walks forward to purchase the gifts, but the price tag says rupees 1200. Now Rohan is a little bit confused. So, how much does he really have to pay? For this, we need to understand how to calculate the percentage. So, if you do not know the percentage rules before moving forward, make sure to check out the percentage playlist to have a better understanding. The link is given in the I button and you can also check the description box. And now let's move forward to help Rohan. So before helping Rohan, let us do some questions. If we solve these questions, then we will be able to help Rohan very easily. So the first question says, 3,224 students appeared in an examination. 75% passed. So how many failed? Okay, let's try this question. So first let us see what is the number of students in total. Number of students is 3,224. Okay, all of them appeared in the examination. So this is the total number of students we can say. How many students passed? The number is not given. So percentage is given. Percentage of students passed is 75%. Okay, so since the number of students passed is not given, first we have to find the number of students passed. Number of students passed will be 75% out of how many students? 75% of 3,224. Now you know the rules. 75% means 75 divided by 100. Of means multiply. 3,224. Okay, so I'm taking a shortcut to multiply. See, I'm taking a very big number, 25. I know the multiplication table of 25, so I know I can cancel 75 and 100 both with 25. 25 times 3 is 75. 25 times 4 is 100. Okay. Anything else we can do? Yes, we can cancel 4 with 3,224. So 4 times 8 is 32. Then we have 2. Since it is only one number, so we have to put a 0. 4 times 6 is 24. Now we are seeing 806 and 3 in the numerator. So if you multiply 806 with 3, what will be your answer? 3 times 6 is 18. We have 1 in hand. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1, 1. 3 times 8 is 24. So our answer is 2418. What is this? This is the number of students passed. But in your question, you have to tell me how many students failed, not how many students passed. So let's go to the next page. So what was your number of students passed? Number of students passed, we got, please pardon my handwriting, number of students passed we got 2418. You remember what is the total number of students that appeared in the examination? I'm just writing total students. Total student is 3,224. So this is your total student. This is the number of students that passed. So can we easily find out number of students that failed? Number of students failed will be what to do? what does your common sense say? If the total students is 3224, number of students passed is 2418. So to find out number of students failed, we'll simply subtract. Okay. So if we subtract 3224, if we subtract 2418 from 3224, we get 806, the same number. Okay. So how many students failed? We can easily say number of students failed is equal to 806. Now let us do the same problem using an alternative method. Okay, so let's try out this alternative method. We'll do the same numerical in a different method. So in total, there are 3224 students, but we will not write 3224. We will see what is the total percentage of students. So while explaining percentage, I told you, when you talk about the total number, we take it as 100%. So if total percentage of students are 100%, what percentage of student pass? Percentage of students who passed, what do you think it is from the information given in the question? It is 75%. So there were 100% students, 75% of them passed. So percentage of the failed students, what will it be? 100 minus 75, definitely in bracket, and then we will write percentage sign. So the answer is 25%. So if I ask you what percentage of students failed, you can easily say 25% of students failed. Now what is 25%? So our total number, now let us talk about the number. We were talking about percentage so far. So total number of students, what is the total number of students? That is, which number we are calling as 100%? 3224. Number of students failed. Now we are directly coming to how many students failed. Okay. So number of students failed. We already know the percentage of students failed. 25% failed. So number of students we can write 25 by 100 of the original number. So this is the original number, that is 3224. Okay, let's do the cancellation. 25 times 4 is 100. And if we cancel 4 with 3224, we have already seen 806. So we directly get the answer, that is 806. You can do in any process that you feel comfortable. Now let us move to the next question. So the question is, Rakesh gets a salary of rupees 40,000 per month. His salary increases by 8% every year. So per month he gets 40,000. So in a year there are 12 months. So he gets 12 into 40,000 per year. And this salary is increased by 8% every year. Find, first one, the increase in his monthly salary after a year. What is the increase? What is the increment? And second, his monthly salary after 2 years. So after 2 years, you have to find out how much he gets. Okay. So let's start. Now, initially, what was the salary of Rakesh? Monthly salary of Rakesh. Let us just write salary in short. That is rupees 40,000. Let us write per month. We'll understand it better. What is the percentage increase? We do not know how much amount has increased, but we know the percentage increase. So 8% is increased after a year. So let's see the amount. Amount increased is 8% of His original salary, what is the original salary? 40,000. 8% means 8 by 100 of means multiply 40,000. So let's cancel two zeros with 20. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32 and we still have two zeros left, so we can give 0 0. So yes, what is the amount increased? Please remember, this is our answer to the first question. Find the increase in his monthly salary. So we can write increase in his monthly salary after 1 year is rupees 3200. Fine. Now we have to do the second part. That is, we have to find out his monthly salary after 2 years. So this is the part 2. We'll find out his monthly salary after 2 years. But before talking about after 2 years, let's find out what happened after 1 year. Okay. So we'll start from the first year. You remembered what was his initial salary? What was his original salary? Original salary was rupees 40,000, that is given in the question. But after 1 year, he got an increment. After 1 year, increase in salary, what was the amount? 8% increment he got. So what was the amount that we obtained after calculation of 8% of 40,000? We got rupees 3200. So this is the increment. This is not the salary after 1 year. So what will be his salary after 1 year? Salary after 1 year will be 40,000 plus 3,200. Okay, you can definitely understand from the figures that this is not his salary, because he used to get 40,000. After increasing the salary, it will not become 3,000. So this is the increase in salary, as you have been asked in question 1. Find the increase in his monthly salary. So that is 3,200. But what will be his actual salary after 1 year? It will be, if you add 40,000 plus 3,200, what will be your answer? It will be 43,200. This is his salary after 1 year. But now we are asked what will happen after 2 years. So every year his salary is increasing by 8%. So after 1 year, his salary was rupees 43,200. This was his original salary after 1 year. Again, there is an increase, percentage increase of 8%. So this time 8% will be on 43,200. Okay. So increase in salary, the next increase in salary will be 8% of 43,200, because now our original salary is 43,200 after 1 year. So for the second year, our 8% will be calculated on 43,200, not on 40,000. Remember. Fine. So let's do 8% of 43,200. This is just the increment. So 8 by 100 into 43,200. We can just cancel the zeros with the zeros. 432 plus, multiplied by 8 will give you 6. 8 3s are 24 plus 1, that is 25. We have 2 in carry. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 2. 3 4 5 6. Wow, that's a great number. 3 4 5 6, all consecutive numbers. So do you think his salary is 3 4 5 6 after 2 years? Previously his salary used to be 40,000. After 1 year it was 43,200. So what is this? 3, 4, 5, 6. It is increase in salary. This is not the salary. This is increase in his salary for the second year. Okay. So after 2 years, how much will he get? What will be his salary? His salary will be, what was his salary at the end of first year? It was 43,200. So at the end of second year, again it has been increased by 3, 4, 5, 6. So there will be a plus sign in between. There will be an addition since it is an increment. So let us do the addition. 3, 4, 5, 6 plus, so 6, 5, 4 plus 2, 6, 3 plus 3, 6, 4. 46,656. So this is your final answer. That is his monthly salary after 2 years. His salary after 2 years is 46,656. Isn't it great? He started with a salary of 40,000 and now he earns 46,656 because he had an increment of 8% per year. So even you should know how to calculate the percentage, then you can understand how will your salary be increased when you do a job. Now let's come to the third question. The price of a notebook was reduced by 10% in 2009. In the year 2010, it was again increased by 10%. Find the percentage change. Okay, that's a good question. All right. So, in the year 2009, let's talk about the year 2009. There was a price for a notebook. We don't know what is the price. So, when we do not know, in the percentage problems, if we do not know, then we can assume the price. Let's say the price of notebook is, in 2009 it is rupees 100. This is a good advantage in percentage. If you do not know something and you can assume that as 100 for percentage calculations. Since all the percentage calculations are based upon 100, so we can assume it as 100. Now, there was a reduction in price and we don't know exactly how much the price reduced, but the percentage decrease, we know the percentage decrease. It was 10% in 2009. Okay. So remember how to find out the new price after deduction. So what was our formula for the new price? We will do 1 minus x by 100 into original quantity, original price, whatever it is. This was our formula that we have discussed in our previous videos. So let's do 1 minus, what is x? X is the percentage. So 1 minus 10 by 100 into, what is original price? Original price was 100. So let's do 100 here. Okay, if we do the fraction subtraction, we get 100 minus 10 by 100 into 100. 100 minus 10 is 90 by 100 into 100. So this 100 and this 100 gets cancelled and our final answer is 90. So what is our new price after deduction of 10%? It is rupees 90. Now, in 2009, we see price of the notebook is rupees 90. Fine enough. After that, what happened? After that, it says it was increased by 10% again in 2010. So now let's talk about 2010. In 2010, price was increased. So what was the original price? In 2010 I am talking about. Original price was rupees 90. In 2009 it has already changed to rupees 90. Now there is a percentage increase. What is the percentage increase? 10%. So what is the new price in 2010 again? after increment, we can use the formula 1 plus x by 100 into original price. Okay, that is fine. 1 plus x means percentage change, percentage increase or percentage decrease. So we can write 10 here, we can write 100 here into original price. Now we are talking about 2010. So original price we will take as rupees 90. Let's do the calculation. If we do this fraction addition, we get 110 by 100 multiplied by 90. There will be some cancellation of zeros. So 0 and 0 will be cancelled. This 0 and this 0 will be cancelled. 11 will be multiplied with 9, which gives us rupees 99. So our new price for for 2010, our new price is rupees 99. Now, finally, you have to find the percentage change all over. So, at the very first stage of the problem, what was the price? Did you remember? Initial price, before any change, any reduction, any increment, what was the initial price or original price? We assumed that the original price was 100. What is the price now after all the change in percentage, reduction, increment? What is the price now? It is rupees 99. So what is the change in price overall after 2010? Change in prices, it was rupees 100, now it is rupees 99. So change in prices, if you subtract these two, we'll get the change in price, that is rupees 1. Okay, so now you have to find the percentage change. In rupees, your change in price is rupees 1. In percentage, your change in price will be, how would you find out the percentage change? The formula is change by original multiplied by 100. So, what is the change? Change is 1. Your change in price is rupees 1. By what is original? Original price was initial price or original price. Initial also means original. Original price was taken as 100 at the very beginning of the numerical. So, in original price, we'll write 100, multiply 100. So, your percentage change is 1. So, since this is the percentage change, we will give the answer in percent. So, it is 1%. This is your answer. Find the percentage change, it is 1%. And now, finally, it is time to help Rohan. Did you remember Rohan? He's still confused. So, what was the price of the gift? Original price of gifts is rupees 1200. Rohan gets a discount of 30%. So what is his discount in rupees? I'm talking about the discount, the reduction in price, okay, in rupees. So this will be 30% of 1200. What is 30% of 1200? Which is 30 by 100. Of means multiply 1200. Let's cancel the zeros. 3 multiplied by 12 is 36 and there is 1 0 left. So we'll put that down. 360 rupees. So the price of the object is 1200. Rohan gets a discount of 360, but that does not mean Rohan will pay 360. Then the shopkeeper will not leave him. Okay. So he will pay, Rohan will pay, or Rohan pays original price minus discounted price. Sorry, minus the discount. So what will he pay? The original price was 1200 minus, he gets a discount of rupees 360. So you will pay, let's do it. Do in rough or wherever you wish. You can do it in your mind if you can do. I'm just showing you here. 0, 6 and here we can write 4 and this is 8. So Rohan pays rupees 840 and Rohan purchase these gifts and go back home. Now Rohan is happy. Okay, so are you happy? Even if you are happy, you can like the channel, subscribe it if you are new to the channel, and you can share it with as many of your friends as you can. Bye bye for today. See you on the next video.